as we know, tuberculosis is the second most deadliest disease in the whole world, and unfortunately, India has a great burden of TB diseases. Almost 29% of world TB cases are in India, and every year around 3.5 to 4 lakh deaths in India occurs because of tuberculosis. This is despite knowing the spreading the awareness and an adequate treatment being provided already. Now, TB is not a new disease. It has been there since ages, since centuries. And still, even after having so many antibiotics for TB, we are unable to end the TB till now. This year, the World TB Day, the theme is Yes, we can end TB. And first, to end TB or to treat TB, awareness about TB is very important. TB as such is a bacterial infection caused by droplet infection from an infected person. That is, if there is a patient of a TB, he can spread the TB disease by coughing, by sneezing, by speaking through the droplet infection whenever he speaks, or coughs, or laughs, or sneezes. So, if a person is near a TB patient or remains in prolonged contact with a TB patient, he has a high chance of getting infected with the TB bacteria. Now, the most common myth which we see about TB is, can TB spread by touching, by talking, by sharing things, by eating together? No. These generally do not result in spreading TB. So it is generally by the droplet infection. So whenever there is a TB patient, proper cough etiquette has to be maintained by him. A cough etiquette has to be there that whenever you cough, you have to cover your mouth with a handkerchief or a hand or into your elbow so that the other person does not get infected, and the same stands for TB. Whenever we talk about TB or whenever we tell a patient about TB, the first thing is मुझे नहीं हो सकता. Everybody believes that he cannot have a TB. मैं तो अच्छे घर से हूँ, I'm from a good family. So this is the biggest myth about TB, that TB does not discriminate between caste, creed, class or monetary status. It can happen to anyone. Any person who is near you who has been having a TB infection can infect with you. Yes, with the lower socioeconomic class, because of a low immunity, overcrowding, poor nutritional status, they have a higher chances of getting TB, but anybody can have a TB.